Top 5 Best French Press Coffee Maker Reviews. We are going to check out top 5 best French press coffee maker in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this best French press coffee maker, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Top 5. KONA French Press Coffee Maker with Reusable Stainless Steel Filter. Simply the purest way extract and brew any loose leaf tea or whole bean coffee's essential oils into a single glass carafe. Will turn any ordinary coffee into a gourmet coffee treat, guaranteed, or your money back. Easy to clean dishwasher machine, safe and detachable stainless steel filter screen system with a quick and easy press, rubber plunger knob. Quiet and non-electric, best for work office environments. Portable and eco-friendly coffee maker for travel, hiking and outdoor camping. Top 4. French Press Coffee Maker, 8 cup, 34 Oz, with 4-level filtration system. We use double stainless steel screen filters on a durable plunger supported by a spring-loaded base plate to seal the edges, followed by a final top lid strainer to give you a pure brew with no grounds, unlike other cheap presses. BPA-free plastic lid strainer, 304 food-grade rated stainless steel, thermal-resistant borosilicate glass pot, 8 cup, 34 Oz. Also features a unique modern European design beaker housing that adds luxury to any kitchen.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3. Secura Stainless Steel French Press Coffee Maker. Secura Stainless Steel French Press Coffee Maker is made from top quality 18/10 stainless steel, both the interior and exterior. It is made to outlast other coffee makers. The capacity of Secura Stainless Steel French Coffee Press is 34-ounce 1000 megaliters. All the parts of this French coffee maker are dishwasher safe. Top 2. BitElegant French Press Coffee and Tea Maker, 34 ounces, 8 coffee cup, 4 US. 100% no plastic design, ensure lifetime food safe of our French press products. Heavy-duty high-quality thick glass pot will ensure longest durability of the French press coffee maker. Top 1. French press coffee and tea maker complete bundle 34 ounces best coffee pot. The coffee, espresso and tea maker 1 liter, about 8 small coffee cups or 4 coffee mugs, plus 1 unique spoon made from thick stainless steel plus 4 filter. This French press coffee maker Kitchen Supreme is renowned for world-class customer service, thousands of happy customers and 100% positive seller feedback on Amazon.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.